Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a purse that I just received today. I was actually expecting two purses to come, but only one has come, so I did check my Coach website and I saw where they shipped both the bags separately. Not exactly sure why, considering I purchased both the bags at the same time. I guess they had to send them from different locations. But nonetheless, let me go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright you guys, so it's in this little package right here. And I'm excited about this purse. When you see the other one after I do the unboxing of that, you'll kind of know why I bought both of these. I wanted to see them in person and compare them to see which one I would like more. And I'm already kind of feeling like this one would be the one that I would like the most. It's wrapped up really nicely in true Coach fashion. And there she is. Not sure what's going on with this wrapping. Okay. So there she is, just wrapped up all nice with the foam around her. And this is the, I'm gonna have to put like the name of the bag on the screen, but I think this is the Mini Lane bag or something like that. So let me go ahead and take off the wrapping. As usual, it's a lot of stuffing. Alright you guys, so I did not take off any of the wrapping only because I am waiting for another bag to come in and I wanted to make a decision on which bag I wanted to keep before I started pulling off the wrapping. If you're new to my channel, then you know I am really anal about pulling off wrapping on a bag like this, and I'm not keeping it because I would rather for someone who is going to keep the bag to enjoy unwrapping the bag and taking out all the stuffing and to get everything that comes with the bag. So for the sake of this video, I am just going to do a quick just unboxing of the bag, and this is the strap here. It's wrapped in the bag. I can't even get the strap out because they have literally like it's connected to the bag. But even the strap is wrapped so nicely. I'll try to connect it to the bag if I can. It's a crossbody bag. Okay you guys, I'm going to show you a few quick images of this bag while I attach the strap, so that you can get an idea of what this bag really looks like without all the wrapping. So after some trial and error, okay, so I managed to get the strap somewhat connected to the bag. Sorry you can't see it. It's a pink strap. The strap matches the color of the bag. I will try the bag on to kind of give you an idea of what the bag looks like. But again, this is the Mini Lane bag and it's in the color Truly Pink, I think it is. It has two double flaps, and sorry, I know it's kind of stuffed, but you can't see that, but there's a pocket right here. And this is stuffed for like all kinds of little papers, you guys. I really don't want to just take out everything, but this is a flap right here, and it has a pocket on the inside. It's a zip compartment pocket. Like when I say this thing is wrapped, you guys, you see that? I mean, they wrapped every inch of this bag, and it's so little. I'm not even sure how they, like, how did they stuff this? Whose job is it at Coach to stuff this? The other side is the same way, you guys. It's stuffed. Only difference is this side just has a slit pocket. It is not a zipper. You see that? It's versus the other side has a zipper compartment, but it looks like it attaches by a button. That's how it closes. So both sides have a button closure, so you have some security, I guess. So you don't have to worry about like larger items falling out, but like smaller items, like if you have your AirPods loose or coins or different things like that, possibly your keys, if you don't have it in a holder, that will fall out. But really quickly, let me show you some items that I would use in this bag. Here's my key holder. I love to use pink accessories, and here is another key holder, but I tend to use this as a wallet. I feel like this color best matches this material of this, and this is like a pebbled leather type of material. And then it has gold hardware, and then I have this card holder that I would use with this bag. So alright, you guys, really quickly showing you this bag. I will come back and do an updated video on this bag after I get the other bag and I make a decision on which bag I'll keep. If you have any questions about this bag, it is on sale right now. It is $129, but right now on sale with 20% off. I think it's like $108, so you can get it for a little bit of a discount. So if you like this bag, this color, you might want to run over there and try to snag it off the Coach website before it sells out. So that's it on this bag. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.